Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Since my last video, the last 24 hours have been intense, with about $1.1 billion in positions being cleared, and roughly 968 million of that coming from long positions. If you're wondering why, just look at the wider market. The Russel index dropped about 3.4% in the same period, and the SPX fell about 2.31%. These indices operate with market caps far larger than Bitcoin. The move in the SPX alone over the last day erased more value in dollar terms than the entire Bitcoin market cap. And because global markets increasingly trade in sync, Bitcoin simply followed the broader risk asset trend. Following our previous analysis, Bitcoin has now completed the full measured move from the symmetrical triangle that formed earlier. The height of that structure, around 5.5 thousand, measured from the 101.9 thousand swing to the 96.4 thousand projection, has now been reached. This shows that the breakdown respected the geometry of the pattern almost perfectly. It confirms that the entire move since the November 10th lower high rejection has been a clean, mechanical, liquidity-driven sequence, rather than a disorderly collapse. The market efficiently filled the liquidity gap below 100,000 and finalized the targets suggested by the triangle. This completion matters because measured move objectives often mark an exhaustion region for the first phase of a trend. At this point, the opposing positioning becomes stretched and liquidity begins to thin out. The response from the 96,000 area has been quiet so far, showing that even though the target was reached, meaningful demand has not yet appeared. Momentum indicators reflect this as well. The wave trend momentum rollover we talked about yesterday is now fully established. The MACD continues pressing deeper below the zero line, and the RSI near 28 signals temporary exhaustion, but not yet a confirmed shift in direction. On a broader level, the structure has weakened steadily since the November 7th peak. A sequence of lower highs guided price directly into the measured move level at 96,000. For now, Bitcoin is testing the lower boundary of the liquidity pocket between 97 and 96,000. Historically, this region can act either as the point where mean reversion flows begin, or as the setup for a move toward the next interest cluster near 94.4 thousand. The key pivot now is whether price can reclaim the 99 to 100,000 region. Regaining that area would signal that the immediate downward structure is losing strength. Until that happens, Bitcoin remains in a post-target consolidation phase, where the market is evaluating whether this becomes a multi-step decline or the end of a targeted cleanup that leads into reaccumulation. The heat map currently shows very little long side activity below us, but in a strong macro down move, like today, that does not carry much interpretive weight. Only time will tell whether this region holds or if the market needs to explore deeper levels. I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time insights. Thanks for leaving a comment, it really helps the channel. Click the like button if you got value from this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.